In this demo, we'll take a look at deploying and working with a blob-based storage account. So to start with, I'm just going to add a storage account to this resource group. And we'll choose a Microsoft storage account and hit create. And rather than a general purpose storage account, we're going to make this guy a blob storage account. So that means it can only contain blob data. It can contain tables, files, or queues. So you have a few extra options. Number one, this can only be standard HDD-based storage. Premium storage is not available. And we can choose a couple of different replication options, such as geo-replication. We then get to choose our access tier. And the access tier indicates what sort of access pattern we're going to have. Is this archive data, backups that we're not going to access very often? Or is this going to be data that we access on a regular basis? If it's on a regular basis, we're going to choose hot. If it's not that often, we're going to go ahead and choose cool. This also affects the pricing. And then we'll use our existing resource group I created, which I believe I called blobs. There we go. Location, and hit create. Oh, we have an error, which is I do need to name the storage account. So we'll pick a name and go ahead and hit create. So this will go out and create the storage account. So our resource group deployment is now completed. We have a storage group. Let's go back into our resource group again and refresh. And here we have our new blob storage account. So if we click on this, you'll notice that we don't have access to tables, queues, or files. We simply have the ability to create blob-based storage containers, such as one for files. And then from here, we work with it as if we work with any blob-based storage. We can upload files, download files, create containers, create access policies. We'll look at things like security and access policies in a later section. And then we can also work with this using our Azure Storage Explorer. So if I just refresh my storage accounts, here's my new storage account, and we'll begin to see only our containers. And so here's my files container, and I can upload, download files, work with them as if they were in Windows Explorer, create new containers, such as images for a web page, and then again, upload, download any images that I choose. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Deleting containers is just a matter of right-clicking in the Storage Explorer, choosing to delete the container, or in the portal, we'll go back one level here, refresh our containers, and we can click on the container and just use the portal to delete the container. And you can, of course, create these containers in PowerShell. You can also create them using the unified client utilities and many of the third-party storage utilities that are available.